Dump and go bags for the win. We have 40 new Thermomix recipes in the Healthy Mix Dinners 3, including 12 new dump bag recipes with a very helpful guide on how to do it, some printable labels and tips and tricks as well. Now we're ready to put all of our ingredients into our bag ready to freeze. It's really important all the ingredients are the same temperature, just for food safety. And now that the ingredients are in the bag, we want to just make sure that we squeeze out as much air as possible. If you do have a food saver or a vacuum sealer, they work even better than snap lock bags, but don't feel like you have to go out and spend money on another appliance if you don't have one. And make sure it's nice and flat, so when it freezes, it doesn't take up much space. So if you're like me and you're time poor and you need dinner to be cooking while you're on the go, check out our 12 new recipes that we've given you dump bag instructions so you can set and forget.